Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. Who expected market to be so volatile? GIFT Nifty indicated almost flat opening, but Nifty opened, went down by 100 point, shot up by 150 point, again fell 150 point, again shot up 300 point. After 1 p.m., there was a huge rally of more than 200 points in Nifty. This is despite, morning entire Asian markets were down. Afternoon, European markets were okay, but they were slightly higher. There's nothing very big. But today, Indian market, huge outperformer. And today, throughout the day, it was IT stocks. Who would have expected TCS to shoot up more than 3% today? With this, after the results, TCS has shot up more than 10%. And this is the period for investors, not for traders. Every day I'm thinking market at all-time high, how to invest here, and the market continued to move higher. And today, once again, Nifty hit a fresh all-time high. Right now, GIFT Nifty indicating around, trading around 24,860, which means that, we are just only 150 to 160 point away from 25,000. Why I am saying 150 to 160? Because what is trading in GIFT Nifty is a futures, it's not the spot. And today, significant thing is that the premium, Nifty future premium eroded completely, and today Nifty future trading only around 10 points premium to the spot. So nobody could believe this. So probably people are shorting. But the more the people short, the more the market will be moving higher. So today, once again, it is a fresh all-time high. And today the Bank Nifty is as usual, it was very volatile. But Nifty was even more volatile. And Infosys moved higher ahead of its results. I think people are sensing that Infosys is going to give good results. But just after 3:30, they have come out with the results. So as per media report, the results seems to be good. Not only the results, mostly for IT stocks, what the people will be looking at the guidance. So they revise the guidance at a higher level. So therefore, it may not, how much it will go up tomorrow, we don't know, but the probability of this stock going down is also very, very less. And probably GIFT Nifty is higher by about 50 points, maybe because of this one. Of course, if you are looking at US ADR, you don't guess anything. So US ADR price right now indicates the closing price in Infosys today. So that's not showing any big thing. But anyway, it's too early to say about the US ADR because it will start trading actively after 7 p.m. Indian time. Now, today India VIX is also moved slightly higher, and look at the December premiums. Call premiums are shooting up like anything. Put premiums are not at all coming down. 25,000 call option shot up more than 100 rupees, but 22,000 put option, it did not come down. In fact, it increased by 1 rupee. Look at the 22,000 call option, which is deep in the money. That was up only less than 100 point. But 25,000 call, which is out of the money, it moved 115 points. So that shows that people are squaring up their shorts. Those who have sold earlier, the way it's moving, people are squaring up. And today, Nifty 25,000 call option expiring in December, it closed above 1,000. The fresh buyers who are buying now, they will make profit only if Nifty goes above 26,000. I do not know the way markets are going. Who knows? It can go to 26,000. So once it reaches 25,000, then after that 26,000 is just only 4 percentage point. Because 25,000, 1% will be 250. So 4% will be only 26,000. So we have 6 more months. 4% is nothing. We still have one more round of corporate results. So after these corporate results, July, August, September, October, November, there will be one more round of corporate results. So the markets are really looking very, very bullish, and not only Indian market, even the global markets. But anyway, I am not going to discuss open interest, this and that for at least next 3 trading sessions, because as I advised you, if you are a trader, I would advise you to keep away from markets from tomorrow until Tuesday. And because once the budget is over, then we can think of trading. Otherwise, this is a last week. Usually the last week, the gamma effect will be there. So it's not good for option selling. And market can move violently. And one thing I can tell you, now the finance minister is sitting in a very, very comfortable position. If she wants to give any negative news to the stock market, she can give so freely, because even if 5-10% fall also, nobody is going to complain. And remember, October end last year, Nifty was around 19,000. Now it's close to 25,000. So it in percentage terms is 30% up. When 30% up in 7-8 months, what is a big deal if it falls by 5-10%? So with that view, the finance minister may give any bitter news for stock market, but those who bought 8 months before, if the market fall 5-10%, it's not going to affect them. But you go and buy now, you will be in trouble. So that's why I'm saying, so fresh buying should be avoided at this level, and better wait for the budget to be over. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.